This is practice it exercise 8.13 transfer bank account. Suppose that you are provided with a pre-written class bank account as shown below. Everything is down here, and assume that the fields, constructor, and methods shown are already implemented, and you may refer to them or use them in solving this problem if necessary. Okay, and then our actual problem is write an instance method named transfer that will be placed inside the bank account class to become a part of each bank account object's behavior. The transfer method moves money from this bank account to another account. The method accepts two parameters, a second bank account to accept the money and a real number for the amount of money to transfer. There is a $5 fee for transferring money, so this much must be deducted from the current account's balance before any transfer. Right? And the method should modify two bank account objects, such as this current object has its balance decreased by the given amount plus the $5 fee, and the other bank account object's balance is increased by the given amount. A transfer also counts as a transaction on both accounts. Okay. If this account object does not have enough money to make the full transfer whatever money is left after the $5 fee is deducted. If this account has under $5 or the amount is 0 or less, no transfer should occur and neither account's state should be modified. Okay, so yep, that was a little bit long, but we'll start by getting our method. So our method should be named transfer. So we'll just say public void since we're not working with anything here. So public void transfer, and then it says we need two things. A bank account parameter and a real number parameter. So we'll just say bank account. We'll just write BA for short for bank account, and then we'll say double money since monies are in decimals, and then we'll do that. All right, and then let's write our code inside. Okay, so the first thing is, so there is a $5 fee for transferring money. So we'll do that at first. We'll account for that. So since the bank account needs to be able to take out the $5 fee, and it said that if the amount is $0 or less, then we can't transfer anything. So we'll say that if our balance is less than 5, or if our money is less than or equal to 0, then we'll just return it because we can't do any transactions with that. Okay, so we'll account for that first, and we'll say that if the balance is less than 5, and then if it has money, so plus money, then in that case we'll do our deposit. So we'll take we'll take the transaction amount from our bank account. So since we have something that says deposit already, so over here, this is the first transaction, and the withdraw is also another transaction for the other bank account. So we'll say that the bank account, and then we'll deposit, and then we'll say balance, and then since we're getting the money from that, we'll just say -5 to take out our $5 fee. And then the problem has a bank account with this, so we'll say this, and then that's the bank account we're withdrawing from. So we'll say this, withdraw, and then we'll just say balance since we don't want to charge that fee twice. So we're just putting in the balance and out. Okay, and then yep, and then if that's not the case, so else we will deposit into the bank account our money, and then this, and then we'll withdraw $5 plus the money from the money we're from the bank account we're taking out the money. And that should pretty much wrap up the code for this. Just to review the logic, so this part is just considering for any amounts that happen to have less than $5 or do not have enough money to take the money out from. And this is the condition where if our balance is less than 5 but has money, then we can deposit the money from the bank account minus the 5, and then we can withdraw the balance from a bank account called this. But if that's not the case, all the money's there, then we can just get deposit the bank account from, or sorry, deposit money into bank account called BA, deposit the money in, but and then we can do the withdraw from this plus the $5 fee. Okay, so let's just run that. And yep, all our test cases are passed. And yep, that's it for this problem, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.